We go to other news now. 5 persons are vying for the post of colonel in the Maroon village of Accompong in St. Elizabeth. Now, as you'll hear in this report from Cody and Barrett, the cockpit country is a big ticket item in this election.
Political excitement is growing inside the Maroon village of Accompong in St. Elizabeth, with the position of colonel now vacant. 5 people were nominated to challenge for the post. Electoral authorities say nomination day activities went smoothly. Among the candidates is former Colonel Maridi Rowe. Mr. Rowe says the controversy surrounding the cockpit country is a big reason he decided to run.
Defending the cockpit, which is under threat. I'm not in for those nonsense, and I am determined to challenge anybody in this country who think that they can sit anywhere in Jamaica and destroy our ancestors' right. We fought for so many years for this. And we don't make no truth because of any experience, political, economical, or otherwise, and take away our rights.
He believes strong leadership is needed from the Accompong Maroons to help protect the cockpit country, but feels that is presently lacking. But incumbent holder of the office, Farron Williams, is defending his record over the last 2 terms.
And I am certain I'll be going back the 3rd term with a bigger margin, so they know my work and worth. And those persons who you hear are saying otherwise, they are the empty barrel, make a lot of noise.
The 3 other candidates are Robert Cawley, Sheldon Wallace and Richard Curry. Messrs. Curry and Wallace spoke with our news team shortly after they were nominated.
It makes sense. A project comes in and nobody's benefiting from it, and only those who are sitting at the helm benefits from it. So the objective is now, instead of staying in the background, come up front, because if I am the one who has to be everybody's deputy, and everybody's asking me to be their deputy, it means I have the confidence to do the job.
We need to ground ourselves in our constitution as free people. And these are big ticket items that will open the door and the pipeline to facilitate everything that we as a sovereign people deserve.
2,500 Maroons are registered to vote in the election set for February 18. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.